Hi friends, very good morning. Welcome back to Chris Trading Academy. You are watching Axis Bank, okay, Axis Bank chart. See, I'm waiting for a scalping buy, okay, here, okay. So if you see right, this is 5 minutes chart, okay, and today morning there is a big gap up because of the Axis Bank results. We all know that, and let it come down, okay. I'm just waiting for the midpoint actually, but whether it will hold there or not, we need to just see here. This is the support, actually recent support, a 2 weeks back support. This is 461. So if it holds right, if it holds and if it takes one kind of small green candle also, I'll go ahead and I'll buy. Okay, so this is 2 minutes chart. Why I came down to 2 minutes chart is to see two more candles. Okay, so see here the 20-day moving average is moving upside here, right? So so there is not much space now between the what do you call that 20-day moving average and the price. So let it fall here, and if it creates one small candle like this and one more big bar, okay, downside comes in, that's the good buy actually. Okay, red bar comes in here below this, I mean to say below 20-day moving average. Uh, but if it holds right, I'll immediately take a buy for 4 rupees minimum, means this will be my target, that's it, or else this will be my target 65. Okay, even 4 rupees also I'll be getting, right? So let's see. Yeah, now it came to our location, but I had to take a buy because I'm just waiting, and okay, it is coming to the 20-day moving average and it is going back now. So let's get go to the 1 minute chart. Okay, now why 1 minute chart is, I don't want to lose, we don't need to lose, okay, even any small move also. If it comes down right very fastly, then we can wait, right? This 451 is already there sitting us for us, means see, when the price is coming down means simply they trapped everyone, that's the simple thing. Okay, gap up happened, now it is filling the gap, that's it. Okay, so let's see the volume here. See the volume again, the this red bars are increasing now. See, let's see. This green candle should form. Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait for until that green candle forms, because this is 1 minute. 1 minute we need to wait. We cannot think that no, it will go upside. It should close. If you can see the time right, it is, see, another 30 seconds left. Why we need to see all these things is, see, if we go in a wrong direction, we will continue into that direction and we will lose a lot of money. So if we wait for confirmation, then even if they trap us also, we can come out easily. Okay, because one big bar downside, red bar, will wipe out our stop loss, and it will fall to 451 also. Yes, it closing now. Okay, and we need a double confirmation. We need this candle also to be closing in green. Yes. Okay, so now what happened is we missed the opportunity and our target hit, but that doesn't matter that we missed the trade. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, if the trend is continuing, okay, the trend continuing, right, what I'll do is I'll short it. So I have drawn a trend line, right? If you can see here, okay, now above this, right, I'll buy. Now any small red candle also I'll short, and my next target is next low. Okay, we'll see. Either side we can win now, because we didn't take this aggressive trade, because I didn't have full hopes on this. So now this, whatever this recent candle, last candle is there, it looks like a hammer, upside hammer. If this is not holding, that's gone. But I don't wait for that long, okay, because I'll immediately take a shot here once I see the red candle, and I'll immediately take a buy call till, means easily we can get 5-6 points upside also. So either way we can win. Okay, now I'm going to take a short call, okay, yet exactly at, this is my point. Okay, let me remove all these things so that it will be clear for you guys. Yes, I have shorted at 62, 462. We'll see what happens. Okay, I'll wait for 4 points. That's it. 458 is enough for me. If the trend line breaks upside, I'll take a buy. Understand, right? So, hopefully, at least if I lost some 2 points here also, I'll cover on the upside by targeting 6 rupees. So either side we can be profitable in this thing, okay, because it only gave us the opportunity, right? It is coming down 1 rupee down, but it needs to break this hammer here. This is the important thing now. The only thing why I have shorted is just drawn a trend line and the trend is downside, okay, and there is some more gap, and the news might be also uh, means wrong, in the sense there is not much upside actually in the bankings, right? We all know that, and the entire market, even if you see the bank nifty also, it is also down today. So let's see one more big candle is good enough here. The volume should increase here, remember that, okay, the volume should increase here and it should continue downside. Let's see, this, if this candle goes down, right, it's confirm our target is hitting now, because all those orders are also done. Why I book only 4 rupees is because I'm scared of losses, and I'm scared of being in the market for more than 15 minutes also. Okay, anytime I target only 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, if I achieve means some kind of a trade, okay, successful, that's pretty good. If I lose, right, I will take one more trade. The trend line has taken, okay, and I'm exiting the stock immediately right away, okay. So I lost some 50 paise and I'm entering again trade, okay. Now I entered again the trade on 463. So I entered, taken a trade on 463. I lost 1 rupee, okay. So my size was very good. I lost some good amount also, but again I'm going for long here. 463 is my long. I know it might hurt me badly if it goes also wrong, but I'm taking an aggressive trade because uh, to take the opportunity. See, actually, a professional traders, what they do is they tend to take frequent trades. Okay, for example, I generally take around 5 to 8 trades every day. Okay, normally I take easily 5 to 8 trades. So I'll take continuously 5 to 8 trades. Um, I don't think about the loss or the profit. I'll take continuously. So at the end of the day, my strategy works. Okay. So that at the end of the day, I'll be in some kind of a break even or in some profit. But I don't stop taking trades. That's what I do. So normally what people do is they'll wait for one more shot here, but in the meantime the price will go upside. Okay. Generally it will go for at least a bounce, a small bounce. But I'm not expecting anything from this market. Okay, now I'm not expecting, because I go by the trend. I go by the price action. I don't uh, I don't simply say that now this goes upside, this goes downside. Okay, I have taken a shot here and it failed. Now I have taken a long trade because it taken the trend line. That's it. There is not much of a reason also here. I'm respecting the market's price. That's it. But to take such kind of decisions, you need to be more patient, more fearless, more aggressive, and you need to have a probability. All these things will play. Okay. Only when you only means when you trust this thing is only when you see in front of your eyes. Now if it happens something like if it moves upside 5 rupees, something like that. But I believe that because I'm following this since long time. Okay. So if you can see right clearly here what happened now. Okay. So if you can see clearly, so now you can realize what was happened, and you can see right clearly. So how I win the trades and how people lose the trades. Okay. So this is live. Okay. This is live, and this is what I do generally. So now I already booked my profit. Okay. And it doesn't matter where it goes now also, because see whatever I got right, I got it now. Okay. And even if I want to buy again, I'll buy again, because I trust that I just follow the market, not just speculate or not just ask it to do what I expect. So now in front of your eyes I have seen it, right? So now again, if one more green candle takes off this red bar, I can go for a long again. But I'm not going now, because I got my points now. Okay, I got some 4 rupees. Okay, immediately I booked it. Okay, so this is what I do. I hope you understand now how a professional trader will do it. Okay, going forward I'll be explaining these things in detail. Okay, and I'll be showing more and more strategies. Okay, thank you guys. This is what I want to show you guys today, and how to take a reverse trade immediately if the first trade was failed also. I showed you in front of the eyes itself. Okay, so now if it stabilizes now, it will at least touch 475. But if this fails now, it will come here, this 200 moving average, if you can see the orange line here. And I expect a range bound. Okay, if it comes here, the orange bar line, I mean to say. Okay guys, and don't trust these moving average crossovers. Okay, they will take off immediately. Don't trust them. Thank you guys. Thank you. Hopefully I'll come up with more videos today, hopefully. Thank you.